It's really just that simple, people, and you can get access to the Coolant Reservoir.
Whatever your topic was.
Hey YouTube, this is MSG from MSG Motovloggers. I know I've been off the scene for a little bit, but I've taken on a lot of classes this semester in college, and I've been swamped. You see me wearing a smile, but it's really upside down. I had a couple of requests, and one of my most recent requests is how to take the glove box off on the Honda SilverWing, and I thought I'd have enough time just to throw a really quick video together on how to do so and help out. Hey y'all, this is MSG from MSG Motovloggers, and I know I've been off the scene for quite some time, but I'm still around. I still got the Honda SilverWing. I just recently got a request from one of my subscribers on, his question was, how do you remove the glove box to... Hey YouTube, this is MSG from MSG Motovloggers, and I'm back. I know I've been off the scene for quite some time. I've taken a lot of classes this semester in college, and I've been pretty swamped with a lot of work. This smile you see on my face is actually a frown turned upside down. I have several assignments that are due at the moment, and I've got to really get on top of things. I don't really have much time to spare, but I was asked to do a quick, well, not asked to do a quick, but it would seem like it could be a quick video just to show how to remove the glove box to access the the coolant fill reservoir, and or the coolant overflow reservoir, and I think I have enough time that I could squeeze that in before I have to jump back onto my assignment. So here it goes. I'm recording this from my cell phone because the GoPro is inside the undercarriage, and the SIM card is the SD card is filled with footage of all the stuff I've been doing. I just haven't had a chance to put it up, so I have to resort to my phone, and yeah, I can't forget that I need to take this out when I'm done. So, sorry, I hope this thing stays in frame. This is the GoPro with the filled GoPro card in it, and well, this is the memory card. Anyways, let's get to it. It shouldn't take very long. Okay, so to begin, we're gonna open up the glove box. We have a little tab right here, a little plastic tab, if I can get up my nail underneath it. Okay, I'm sure this is missing a push. Oh, actually the clip is still in it. It's just been pushed all the way in. So a little clip like this here. Actually, yeah, you see it. Okay, put that on the side. Grab the actual latch housing. Put that aside. And now, this box here, you're gonna have some tabs right here. You're gonna see, I don't know if you can see it, but there's these little tabs right here. They fold underneath the fairing on both sides. You have them. So, and you have one in the front and in the back. If you start with the front, pull up. Let's see if I can squeeze this out. All right, I got those two sides out. Oops, one popped back in. Okay, that's up. Let me just switch my hand right here. And there you go. It's really just that simple, people. And you can get access to the Coolant Reservoir. So just to give you guys a close-up of what I was talking about, put this here. So if you see, you have some little clips right here, some little hooks. Some in the front, some on the bottom, on the side, and there you have it. So I hope that video was helpful. I'm gonna post it right away. It's pretty small. Maybe there's gonna be no intro, I'm not sure. Yeah, so I hope that could help you guys out. Again, you just lift out the tabs from the, oops, let me rotate this. Lift up the tabs from the bottom, and from the two sides, you just squeeze with your hand, and pull that one push clip, speed clip, whichever you want to call it, out, and the actual locking house and the tip and the clip, and you should be able to take it off really simple. Anyways, guys, this is MSG from MSG Motovloggers. Thanks for watching. Semester finishes next week, and I'm gonna get to processing all the footage that I've done over the summer. I went on a couple big rides. That was pretty cool. I actually did some other things that you guys will probably be surprised to find out that I did. Some interesting things about me. So, and I haven't forgot about Shauna. I actually wrote something for Shauna's shout out. I actually have 3 things that I do want to say about myself, but again, I just haven't had the time to put everything together. Poor time management, I must say, on my part. But the semester is going to be over this week, coming the first week of December, and I should be able to get on to those things. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys can hit me up with some more how-to videos on the SilverWing, and I'll be more than glad to help if I can help. If I can't, well, I can't, but I'll try. I haven't even taken my jacket off. That's how fast I'm doing this. I'm on my way out, literally on my way out. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'm out. Hey, Moto friends. Some of you might not be aware of it, but yes, I do drive 2 bikes. I drive a Kawasaki Vulcan and a Honda SilverWing. Some of you might be here for the motorcycle, some of you might be here for the Maxi Scooter. Either which way, if you like this video, click the like. And if you guys loved it, hit the subscription button. And I'm looking forward to doing more great videos for you guys. Thanks for watching.